Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Top Cricket Prediction. Today we are going to tell you WBBL 2023 match number 17th match prediction, which is between Hobart Hurricanes Oman versus Sydney Thunder Oman. Key players in this match: Elise Villani, Briony Smith, Shabnim Ismail, Jamaria Thabatu, Fob Litchfield, Marijan Cup. Friends, if you don't subscribe our channel, please do it and press the bell icon for next video notification. Head-to-head record: Hobart Hurricanes Oman win 5 times, Sydney Thunder Oman win 10 times. Average run in this ground: 133 runs. Run prediction in this match: Hobart Hurricanes Oman fast bat 155 minus runs. Sydney Thunder Oman fast bat 145 plus runs. WBBL 2023 match number 17th, Hobart Hurricanes Oman versus Sydney Thunder Oman. Our prediction is Sydney Thunder Oman will win the match. What do you think about this match? Who will win? Share with us in our comment box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe please. You can also visit our channel for another match prediction.